Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to permanently delete your Terabox account. First, open your browser and log into your Terabox account at terabox.com or open the app. Once you're logged in, click the profile icon on the top left corner here. Then click on settings. Here is the settings. And from here, click security center. Here is the security center. And you will see an option which is delete account. Click on it. Here you will see a warning like delete your account means you will lose all files. You will be able to log in again. If you're sure, continue. Now provide a reason for deleting your account. Check the box that says be aware of risk and confirm to cancel the amount. Click on it and say I understand. Finally, click cancel account or confirmation delete to complete the process. Your account will now be permanently removed. And that's it. Your Terabox account is now deleted. If this helped you a lot, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.